y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back for another day of Michaela month. I hope you all are enjoying these informational hair videos. I'm trying to get it together. I do have some crochet videos planned, a sewing video planned, because I do have a wedding outfit that I'm working on. I should be finishing that up soon, so it should be coming out this week, fingers crossed. But today I want to be sharing with you guys some information on steam treatments. I feel like steam treatments aren't talked about enough in the natural hair community. I feel like it had a resurgence maybe like around the pandemic. People were getting the steamers, they were doing it at home, but I feel like there's still a whole group of people that don't know the benefits of steaming, and they haven't even started it yet. They haven't even unlocked the key of steam treatment. So on this video I just want to share a few reasons why you need a steam treatment, and I want to discuss the benefits of a steam treatment. I stand by them, I love them. I don't even have the whole fancy stand-up facial steamer thing. I use like the little small steamer, but it still gets the job done. So you don't have to spend an arm and a leg to do this treatment at home or to have it in your salon and offer for your clients. It is so beneficial to use, especially for natural hair. So I hope everyone is convinced to give a steam treatment a try at the end of this video. So let's just hop right into it. So basically a steam treatment is a little bit different than a regular deep conditioner because yes, both of them are including heat, but a steam is like lifting up the cuticle, is allowing moisture to get in the hair a little bit deeper. Moisture comes from water, hydration comes from water, so of course it is going to get your hair to a whole nother level of moisture. So one of the benefits is that it helps conditioning treatments penetrate your cuticle deeper. Of course I love a deep conditioner. You still see me sit underneath the dryer. Once you start steam treatments, that doesn't mean you stop doing deep conditioners and you just throw your dryer away. No, I like to use steam treatments at least once a month because I just want to get that moisture into my hair a little bit deeper. It is really a luxury treatment. It's not something you have to do all the time or very often, but when you get that good deep conditioning treatment and you add steam to it, it brings your hair and it brings your curls to a whole nother level. So I at least like to do it once a month, and I keep stressing the once a month because you can steam your hair too often. You do not want your hair to become like too soft and mushy, kind of like when you over protein your hair. You don't want to over steam your hair because your hair will lose its integrity and it's not going to be as strong. You want to do this just a little bit. A lot of things have consumer error. Just because something makes your hair feel good doesn't mean that you want to overuse it and abuse that thing. Once your hair gets that moisture in, it should be able to hold on to it and maintain it for a while until you're ready to do it again a few weeks later. You don't want to overdo this because it's going to cause more harm than good to your hair. But once in a while, once a month, twice a month, this treatment should get you where you need to be. Okay, it allows that moisture to hit your hair on a whole nother level that can't just happen from a quick little conditioner in the shower. A lot of people have the complaint of dry hair, dry scalp, dehydrated curls, curls that are not defined. And one thing that I found is that steam treatments can definitely be beneficial to that. We have a lot of natural hair clients that come in and they're like, I need the steam, my curls ain't been curling right. It does a really good job of defining curls because the main thing that curls need is moisture to thrive. Okay, a dry curl is not going to perform the same as a hydrated, healthy curl. So when a lot of people are having trouble with their hair accepting moisture and maintaining the moisture, I like to recommend a steam treatment because it's just going to allow the hair to be moisturized on a whole different level. It's going to do some great things for the hair. So steam treatments if your hair is dry. I also like to do it for scalp. Like when I use my rosemary mint conditioner, I like to also add a little bit rosemary oil for the scalp, and it's just a whole different experience because another thing that the steam treatment does do is help to circulate blood to your scalp, which you know blood circulation to the scalp is really good because it can also increase hair growth. So that is one thing we love to hear in the hair community. You just want your scalp to be stimulated in some type of way. That's why I like to pair like some type of minty oil or minty conditioner, and that's a whole nother level of a steam treatment. So it definitely does encourage that healthy blood flow to the scalp, and that is what we need for hair growth. Of course, it's not going to make your hair grow, but we always want to encourage that growth with a healthy scalp. It also helps to open the cuticle, and when you open the cuticle that much, it helps to get more dirt out. It's going to release the dirt easier, and that results in a deeper clean. This also is really good for my silk presses. For one thing, you don't want a silk press on dirty hair. Clean hair is best for a silk press, and you also want for a silk press moisturized and hydrated hair. Dry hair will not result in a good silk press, but if you do a steam treatment for a silk press, honey, it brings it to another level. That's why in my salon, all silk presses, if you book a silk press, it's going to come with a deep conditioner. Now a shampoo and flat iron is not going to come with deep conditioner, but a silk press, it's going to have some type of moisture element to it. And if we decide your hair needs a steam treatment, it just brings the hair to a whole new flowy moisturized vibe that I just love to see. So be conscious that when you're doing a silk press, if you're not getting like nice flowy shiny results, maybe try a steam treatment, because that means your hair may need a little bit more moisture to get it where it needs to be. Okay, so another tip for steam treatments is that I don't actually go over like 15 minutes. To me, all you really need is 10. So don't sit there and steam your hair for like 20-30 minutes. That's okay for a deep conditioner, but all conditioners stop working at some point. Read your instructions on the treatment that you're using, but like I said, you don't want to over steam your hair. You don't want it to get too soft. All you really need is like 10 minutes. It don't take all that to get it done. That's just basically like when you're doing a little facial in the shower, in the steam, it hydrates your skin. It's the same thing for your hair. Steam is very beneficial to hair, and I love to use it in the salon. Like I said, I have the little facial steamer and I just make it work. Okay, I make it work. They have fancier steamers and stuff like that. A lot of people steam throughout the whole shampoo process, and it's helping to get a deeper clean and really insert moisture at every level. But I basically like to do it after my shampoo. I shampoo 2 to 3 times, and then I go in with my steam treatment, and it is just moisture hydration city. So if this video did not convince you that you need a steam treatment, come on down in the comments and I'll see what else I can do to convince you, because it's time. If you cannot afford a steam machine, go ahead and see what salons around you have a steamer, so you can go ahead and try that steam treatment, because it should just bring your hair to a whole new level of hydration. And I'd like to see what benefits it can have for you. Maybe it's going to help to define your curls, maybe it is going to help you with a better silk press or things like that, but it's pretty beneficial. I even use steam treatments on some lock clients who have had like really hard stubborn dirt that just doesn't want to come out. I like to do a steam treatment, or like clients that have complained about really hard locks and they want to like kind of soften it up. A lot of times they need extra moisture, so I like to do a steam treatment on their hair. So steam treatments are really amazing for everyone. I hope you all try it. There are a lot of steamers that can be on sale around this time when it comes to the holiday season, so go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions about steam treatments, how often you should do it, what products I recommend for your steam treatments, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Michaela month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, follow me on Instagram for all the behind the scenes hair content. I'll see you guys tomorrow.